Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. On the 27th of December, 2024, Mr. Koberger, in the matter styled as Idaho versus Koberger, served defendant's 21st supplemental request for discovery. Now, 2 points bear mentioning here. First, Mr. Koberger's discovery cutoff date is approaching. It is January 9th, 2025, per Judge Hippler's October 9th pretrial and trial order. So therefore, we may see 1 or 2 more supplemental requests for discovery from Mr. Koberger hitting the docket before that deadline. Second, there's been some talk in the community, and I've also been posed the question that Mr. Koberger is repeatedly asking for the same thing 21 times or 20 times or 10 times. And this is why we're seeing 19, 20, 21 supplemental requests for discovery. That is not how discovery operates. If a party serves a discovery request that the other side objects to or does not produce information sought, the appropriate mechanism would be to file a motion to compel, not to repeatedly asking for the same document over and over again. So this is now the 21st supplemental request for discovery, coming approximately 2 weeks before discovery cutoff for Mr. Koberger. And he is stating here, please take notice that the undersigned pursuant to, and he gives the legal authority that allows him to serve this discovery request, both Idaho criminal rules, he's citing to the U.S. Constitution and also to the Idaho State Constitution as legal authority on page 1. Page 2, he is asking for the production of discovery and inspection of all materials discoverable by defendant. And he is saying here the information that he is requesting, as he has done time and time again in his discovery requests, are outlined. They are stated in Exhibit T, which is attached, but is not published on the public docket, just as Exhibits A through S that were attached to the prior supplemental discovery requests were not attached. It is under seal. And it states here that Exhibit T will be filed conventionally, in person, and under seal on January 2nd, 2025. So for reasons we are not privy to, because everything is under seal in terms of discovery in this case, although this document has been dated the 27th of December 2024, the information, which is Exhibit T, will be filed in person with the clerk of court on the 2nd of January 2025. Now, there is a certificate of delivery that states that the information was sent personally, as indicated below, on the 27th of December to the following parties. And this is signed by Ann C. Taylor, lead counsel for Mr. Koberger. Number 1, to the Latah County Prosecuting Attorney's Office. Latah County is the lead counsel in this case. Elisa Massoth, who is co-counsel for Mr. Koberger, Jay Logston, also co-counsel for Mr. Koberger, and Jeffrey Nye, who is the Deputy Attorney General that is assisting the Latah County Prosecuting Attorney's Office with this case. If you would like to review this document, please follow the link that I have provided in the description to this podcast episode. Go to the Idaho Cases of Judicial Interest, scroll down to the Koberger case, and you will see it filed December 27th, 2024. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone podcast. Thank you for joining us here today.